kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad Kongkel Sangma habaya keren berkilat patai kubor Halor ke roster system ulang baka sarkar kala shimnya shibun kilat kilenti nakitanat trekam sarkar bapher ha kaban pej bat bishar bnya ulia thoru baka kinhon menteri kala shimnya ka benta ban pej bhaya kijingdon kambaro nakabenta kani kamat nakaliang menteri Rangba ulia thoru bahadin jong ka khat santrik Jymmang kan don ka Jingïalang jong ka kinhon menteri Badru an khot lang ya baro ki khot ki badan hapok ka sarkar MDA ki reo tremon ngobha ki bami ikmat ya ke emnang ka salang ki nong yalam nyam bat ki wei namar ka ne galong ka mat ka badan kambha ba ki wei ru kin ngotho ya ka jing shisha ule atho ru ba hadin jong ka khat santarik an sedang ki Jingïalang ki balong hapok ki district bat ki state level.
Yeah, so basically now government, we have been taking multiple presentations from the departments and the cabinet is going through all the details. Most likely post the 15th, we will be having within this month itself, as I had mentioned earlier also, that in the month of May, these discussions will start and we will invite everybody. So we intend to call all our MDA members, all the political parties, all the different civil society from all areas and other important stakeholders, religious leaders, because it's something that we feel that everybody should be involved in and must understand all the facts. So post the 15th of May, the series of meetings will start at the state level as well as at the district levels wherever it's necessary with as many stakeholders as possible. So within this month itself, post 15th, the engagement will start.